Around and the wind is blowing like crazy.
It's a nor'easter. I wonder if it actually is a nor'easter.
Get inside. Miriam, shut the door.
Man, I wonder what the wind chill is.
There.
Huh? Sadie! Sadie! Get out of the road, it's full of water!
Yeah. Daddy.
What?
Mike. Wanna go have a snowball fight at Leah's?
What the hell you got over here?
No, baby, I'm not snowballed out. We've been out here for 2 hours.
Where the hell? Where's Miriam? There she is. Miriam! Hi!
You gotta zoom in.
Yeah.
She's a pretty baby.
She is cute. Hi, Miriam! She looks really cute.
I told you, lady, don't mess with me.
Roof goes higher, and then it slopes down into the main part of the
Oh,
battalion.
snow.
And where it slopes down at, snow, I guarantee it was every bit of 5 foot deep on that ridge. And man, snow drift come down off that roof last night, outside smoking. I was like, literally right where Tatum's standing in front of me and scared the hell out of me.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, it literally, it startled me. I jumped. Is it cold, Miriam? Is it cold? No? No. These are hurting. I got on 2 pairs of socks too.
Yeah.
Oh,
These boots are like,
Waterproof.
well, they're ones that we were given in Germany.
Oh, okay.
So you can, I mean, I've walked in these things and it
Put
was
one in his pocket.
mighty, mighty cold out.
I just found out, man, all my buddies that I was in Fort Mill with,
Yeah.
my old unit, they deployed again to Iraq.
Yeah.
Madison, y'all rather either up here or down here in the bottom part of the yard to get bigger.
Yeah, that's the bad part about getting out.
Yeah, everybody wants to come back in. You not cold,
You get
Mama?
out, you can't find no.
No, I got about 10 layers on.
Stop! You hit me first.
Hey! Who was that?
No one's engaged up.
No one's engaging me. Yeah, yeah. He got it for me for Christmas last year. Because I was talking about how we had an old clanky one, you know, and I'm like, I want to be able to put him right on the computer, no problems. And he said, okay.
Sweet.
I was over there and the kids, I was looking right in their faces.
Yeah, I really like it a lot.
Roll it in your truck.
Ooh, that would have hurt because it hurt my hand.
Someone else. We need a convoy.
We need a convoy.
We need a convoy. They're coming. I told them.
What are you girls doing?
Oh, they're rolling in the back of the truck. You get the snow out.
Oh, I thought there was a couple.
No, it's fine.
It's up in it. Ah! Big truck.
Is Miriam over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go. That didn't feel good. Will you put your handprint?
Get all done. Hey, honey, you got a snowball?
She's coming to hit you.
Oh, whoa, you got me. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I
A lot of snow.
know. You could go swimming in that.
I know.
That's a little too fast.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Watch out, don't knock me.
Yeah, my mom,
Truck.
she was going 10 miles on this, well, 10 on this road, even though it's supposed to be 20. Oh my god.
We
one, isn't it, Miriam?
Here too. There's a small one in here this time, okay?
You girls just better carry that over after the second ball.
Heavy?
Or put it down and roll it so you don't break it. Roll it back up. Remember, do it from the bottom.
This is gonna be hard to pick up. Uh-huh. That would have liked to put.
I was saying that I bet you at Land Between the Lakes it's so pretty because no one's.
We don't have enough ammunition. We're getting ambushed by 2 men. There. Starting an ambush. Hey, David. And I need major help and ammunition. Come on, here.
Miriam! Look at mommy.
I'm gonna run. There's nothing there.
Go ahead and start doing the small one. Small one.
Wait a minute.
What?
Sarah wants to talk to you. She's with Alexis. Wants to know if you want to go in on ordering something.
Ordering something.
Yeah, she's people can see them sausage, pineapple.
Just stay over here.
Miriam! Look at mommy. Say cheese.
You want to go inside?
What?
Yeah.
What, Daddy?
Just stay over here.
Here, go stay with Daddy for a second. Let me get your picture.
I was playing with Michael.
I know.
Stand up, John. Ready?
Whitewash! Whitewash!
Get him!
Whitewash! Whitewash!
This will be a big silver. He wasn't doing it. The boys.
Ow, Daddy!
What? I ain't doing nothing to you.
My foot is completely covered.
My snow angel.
Do it again.
Mine's the best. I just did. I ain't doing it again.
Gianni.
Look at Boo trying to walk in it.
Here.
Whoa! Whoa! No.
Miriam.
I'm making a piece. I'm making this out of a ball. Put it in a no. This stuff was bigger. We're gonna make it even bigger.
Building a fighting position is pretty cool. I'm gonna track boozers.
Okay.
Hey, quit messing up our snowball. Against you.
She's getting
You guys
cold.
know that.
You want to take her in?
Yeah, are you gonna stay out?
Yeah.
Let's go see what it looks like.
It has no arms.
What? We're wasting all the snowballs. You still need to help us though. We're not done.
Yeah, he needs some arms.
What?
I need the camera fixed.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Here's what I was just like you. Hey, he's never taken that one. this is what I was thinking about. Like that.
Go get the camera.
And
Daddy.
John, quit.
Against each other, goofball.
Well, you don't gotta push so hard.